Episode 8, A Day in the Life, Learn Daily Routine Vocabulary and Sentences. Hello and welcome back to Learn English with Stories. This is day 8 of our 30-day English learning challenge. And wow, we're already more than 1 week in. You are doing something amazing. You're building a habit. You're showing up every day to improve your English. And that's something to be proud of. Now, today's episode is very important because it's about something you do every single day. Your daily routine, from morning till night. If you can talk about your routine in English, you can have real conversations, write paragraphs, and even describe your life to others. So today, let's learn it together in a simple, fun, and clear way. Story time. Listen and imagine. Let's begin with a short story. Listen carefully and try to imagine it in your mind. After the story, I will break it down for you. Hi, I'm Sophia. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I feel a little sleepy, but I get up and make my bed. I brush my teeth and take a warm shower. After that, I get dressed and eat my breakfast at 7 a.m. I usually have eggs, toast, and a cup of tea. Then I check my emails and leave for work at 8 o'clock. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. My job is busy, but I enjoy it. After work, I come home, take a short rest, and sometimes talk to my family. In the evening, I watch TV or read a book. I eat dinner around 8 p.m. and relax. Finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m. and sleep peacefully. That's my normal day. Nice story, right? It's simple, but it teaches you so many useful words and expressions. Vocabulary and explanation. Learn step by step. Now let's learn the important vocabulary and sentences from the story. I'll explain, give examples, and then you will repeat after me. 1. Wake up. Meaning to stop sleeping and open your eyes in the morning, since I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. 2. Make the bed. Meaning to arrange your bed sheets and pillows after getting up. I make my bed every morning. 3. Brush my teeth. Meaning to clean your teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste. So I brush my teeth in the morning. 4. Take a shower. Meaning to wash your body with water. So I take a shower in the morning. 5. Get dressed. Meaning to put on clothes. Since I get dressed after my shower. 6. Eat breakfast. To have the first meal of the day. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. 7. Check emails, meaning to look at your messages online. Sentence, I check my emails before work. 8. Leave for work, go to work, meaning to go from your home to your job. I go to work at 8 o'clock. 9. Work from 9 to 5, meaning to have a full-time job with fixed hours. Sentence, I work from 9 to 5. 10. Come home and relax, meaning return home and take rest. Sentence, I come home, watch TV, read a book. Sentence, I watch TV, I read a book. Eat dinner, meaning the last meal of the day. Sentence, I eat dinner at 8 p.m. 13. Go to bed, sleep peacefully. I go to bed at 10 p.m. and sleep peacefully. Practice section, say it with me. Now let's practice together. I'll say a sentence, then you say it after me. I wake up at 6 a.m. I make my bed and brush my teeth. I take a shower and get dressed. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I check my emails and leave for work. I work from 9 to 5. I come home and relax. I watch TV or read a book. I eat dinner at 8 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Excellent. You're doing great. Interactive section, your turn to practice. Now it's your turn. Write your daily routine in the comments. Start like this. I wake up at... Then write 4 to 6 sentences about your own daily life in English. Use the words we learned today. I will check your comments and give you feedback. Bonus practice. Ask and answer questions. Here are some simple questions you can use to practice with a friend. What time do you wake up? Do you eat breakfast every day? What do you do after work? When do you go to bed? Repeat each question and try asking someone today. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned useful vocabulary for your daily routine. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn English with Stories. We've completed episode 8, and we're going strong. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in episode 9.